going on, guys? Today we're going to do a Tackform phone mount review and unboxing. So we're going to install it. I'm going to tell you guys what I think. So let's get to it.
It's the Tackform phone mount. This is what's included here. We got a sling, clamp, coupler, cradle. What I really want to figure out is if you really need the sling. They say you don't, but then they always include it though, so that makes me think. I don't know if that's just to give people peace of mind that you might actually need it. Let's see here. So there's a sling there. The clamp and the coupler comes with an Allen. And here's the mount itself. They're big kind of advertising points that it's all metal, and this thing, it does feel sturdy, I'll tell you right off the bat. Definitely well made. It's got little rubber channels here. So let's get it on the bike. All right, guys, seems pretty simple enough. This is like the lower piece that you'll clamp on here. You got 2 screws, and then it came with 3 different size of these like little couplers here, probably depending on what kind of bars you have. So those vary, which is nice. Actually, I just read the instruction here, and it does say it's optional to have the sling, just to give people peace of mind. So, all right, guys, so it comes with this little 3M strip, and I think that goes into like the bushing itself. I selected like the mid-size bushing. All right, getting this bottom piece on. Yeah, these clips are super tight. That feels good though. Get the top mount on here. So, in the instructions too, is making it a point to make sure your gaps are even on both sides, because you will have a gap with the bars. Maybe depending on what kind of bars you have, maybe they won't be. So I'm just gonna go kind of nice and easy on both sides here and try to make sure that gap's nice and even. I've got it mounted nice and snug. The gaps look pretty even to me. And this thing feels solid, man. It feels really good. All right, we just got to line these up here. Kind of comes apart and it sits over the top. Super easy to use. Put our phone mount piece in. Guys, it's fully mounted now, so it's kind of similar to like the RAM mount. You have this kind of uniball construction, so you can kind of set it however you want and get your phone whatever direction you need it to be.
All right, guys, so we got it mounted on. My phone's in it right now on the bike, and I would say, man, the construction's great. All metal, Tackform phone mount. It's as advertised. It's super kind of burly. The only issue that I saw when I have it on now is that it does kind of move within the mount. It doesn't move enough, like I can't pull it out, but I thought it was going to be kind of a rock solid clamp on the actual phone. But it does kind of, it wiggles back and forth a little bit. So it's a little concerning. I don't think it's going to fall off the bike. All right, so I grabbed my wife's phone so I can kind of show you guys what I was talking about. So just to insert it in, you just kind of pull it, and then the springs pull back. But I'll show you that kind of wobble I was talking about. See, like right here. But I can't actually pull the phone out. But it doesn't kind of clamp in there nice and firm. Let me know in the comments if you guys have this mount, if you've had any issues with it, or what do you think. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got more videos coming about Harley stuff, accessories, performance. We're going to do a lot of cool stuff on the channel, so make sure you guys check out our other videos. All right, see you guys.